people, they think na ang Forex is scam. Forex daw, sugal. When in fact, ang Forex, guys, you have to consider it as a business. Hindi siya scam at hindi rin siya sugal. The only time na magiging sugal lang yan is kapag hindi nyo inaral. That is why nandito ako nakatayo right in front of you because tuturuan ko nga po kayo para maging equipped kayo sa trading at hindi po siya maging sugal. Okay? Kasi hindi po yan swerte-swertihan lang na parang, uy, aakyat ata, magbabay ako. Hindi pwedeng ata. Yun. Diba? Kailangan naaral mo na. Hindi, aakyat yan dito kasi babalikan niya to. Diba? Ganon. So ngayon, just to compare, ano ba yung traditional business compared with digital business? So I started my business na aesthetic clinic, right? So I have my clinic in Legarda sa May Manila. And just to let you know, how much did I spend for this? Meron pa mga nagnenegosyo dito? You're a businessman. Talagang you would definitely be needing your capital expense and your operating expense. Aesthetic clinic, meron niyang franchise fee. Diba? Meron niyang renovation, diba? Doon sa location mo. Meron niyang machineries kasi syempre gagamit ka ng mga pampaganda, mga ano, diba? And also, mga rental fees. Magpamayroong advance payment yan, diba? And also, merong inventories yan. Meron niyang mga staff training. And I spent for my capex for 4.2 million. Diba? Ang bigat nun. Diba? And also, syempre, meron niyang monthly operating expense. Definitely. Hindi yan aandar yung negosyo mo nang wala kang OPEX. So yung OPEX ko, meron niyang mga taxes. Definitely, may babayaran kang mga tax. Meron niyang salary and wages. Magbabayad ka ng tao. Meron niyang government contribution kasi you have to pay your people diba? Kailangan may SSS, may PhilHealth, may pag-ibig. Kasi pag hindi mo ginawa yun, you're violating the labor code. Diba? So, meron din yan, of course, monthly rental. Depende pa kung gaano kaganda yung location ng business mo. Diba? Kapag yan, maganda yung foot traffic, definitely, mas mahal yung babayaran mo sa rental. Diba? Tama? Siyempre, meron niya, magbabayad ka ng utilities, may cable, diba? Meron pa yung mga kuryente, tubig, diba? Telepono. Diba? So, you will be paying a lot in a traditional business. So in short, ang binabayaran ko for the aesthetic clinic, kailangan 266,000 pesos per month. So ilang tigyawat ang tatanggalin namin? Diba? Para magkaroon ng 266,000 in order for me to break even that expenses. Wala pa dyan yung hindi pa nababalik yung capex ko dyan So that is traditional business. Diba? But, when you start your digital business, ano kailangan mo with Forex? Cellphone lang! Diba? Laptop lang! Diba? Siyempre, kailangan mo ng kapital. Diba? Hindi naman pwedeng wala kang kapital. Hindi yung magic. Diba? Kasi marami nagme-message sa akin, pwede po bang walang pera dyan? Sabi ko, walang ganon. Walang ganong negosyo. Pili ka lang ng iPhone, yung normal na iPhone lang. 50,000, may maganda ka ng smartphone, diba? As to compare dun sa traditional business natin na 4 million. Diba? There's a big difference. Diba? Are you getting my point? So, we have to consider Forex as a business na talagang maganda yung kitaan at the same time, mababa rin ang operating expense natin.